The tool I'm using today is called Baamboozle, and it is a way to create an interactive game option for helping students learn content. With this, it is free, although they do have an upgrade to it. I did notice that there are a lot of features that are not available on the free version, but it is a fun tool to begin playing with. Also, if you teach a core content, there are a lot of games that are already created that you can select for this. I'm using it for high school psychology, and so there wasn't a lot that was pre-created for that matched what I was looking for. And so I started a new game that I created, and we're going to take a look at going through that and what it looks like. Also, the ITSE standards that it uses is 1A, ensuring students have skilled teachers, so learning these new tools and actively using technology in the classroom, as well as shared lessons, learned, new challenges, best practices. And we know that a best practice is helping students learn information in a variety of ways. This also has to do with the TPAC and inserting curriculum into technology for the usage of that. So we will begin by playing the game. After I show you a couple of these, I'll show you how they were created. So question 1 is going to come up. You'll see it's worth 5 points for the team, and you can insert graphics and ask the questions. So mood disorders are like depression affect what percentage of adults in the United States? Giving team 1 a chance to answer, then you can check their answer. And if they got it correct, you can mark OK, and it assigns points for them. Then team 2 gets a chance. Again, you'll see this question's worth 5 points. What disorder commonly occurs with anxiety? And if they said depression, we'll check their answer, and they did not get it correct. You'll see that these two are faded out because they've already been used. And then question 3, these students also got the correct answer, and you'll see that continue on. Again, there are GIFs that you can add if you don't have your own graphics in doing this, and there's the end of our game. You can restart it, review it, continue on with that piece of it. You can also use this as a study tool or a slideshow, but I will take you back to the beginning and show you how I created the game. So as you are creating the game, you'll create a title for it. You can give a brief description. You can select a gift, or if you have a graphic you want to use, you can do that. You choose your language and your tags, and then choose make a game. The next step allows you to also edit. So I'll open the edit screen so you can see where I've added. You can choose the point value of the questions. You can choose whether there's an image with the question or with the answer. And again, uploading a graphic or a GIF. You can do a question and the answer there. You'll see that there are a few different questions on here. What type of disorders are characterized by loss of contact with reality? You can go back and edit these or delete these, so as questions change over time, you can do that. Overall, I felt like there were a lot of options for this in the free one, but it was somewhat limited.